So hey guys, welcome you all to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I am Karan, and today in this video we're gonna take a look at the latest build Corvus ROM, which is based on Android 10's review now. This ROM is actually, the name is Corvus, and actually it is a modded version of Dirty Unicorn's custom ROM. The maintainer of this ROM is Erihara. You got the security patch level of 5th of March 2020, the latest security patch. In other words, you can say this is Dirty Unicorn's latest security patch ROM, but they just changed the name to Corvus, the trending thing nowadays. So what are the things there in this customer? You got what are the customization options. You got here Google camera is working or not, and everything else in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get quickly straight to the video. So here this is the home screen which you got here. Corvus is the name of the wallpaper, is the name of the room, everything. By default, the launcher which you got here is the quick step launcher. That's a nice looking launcher. Actually, swiping right you don't get anything. You have some customization options here like icons, home screen, gestures and miscellaneous and all. The smoothness is nice. The scrolling speed is very good. That's not bad thing. No lags at all. Quick settings panel look like this. You can customize this quick setting footers text. You can customize it from settings. And this is the MIUI brightness slider which you can enable from settings. Other things, let me show you simply by starting with the camera. The default camera which you get here is this one, Snapdragon camera, which is working perfectly as expected. And the main thing is Google camera, is it working or not? Google camera is perfectly working. In my case, I'm using camera mode, portrait mode, video shots, everything is perfectly working. And this one is Google camera 7.2. I'll drop a link below. You can download from there for this Google camera easily. This is 7.2, or even if you want to try out Google camera 7.3, you can try out that one too. This is a very good thing that Gcam is properly working. As always, I will try with some features of this custom room, because all the extra things like display, sound, storage, privacy, location, everything same. No extra things and no something is less than nothing. So it's better to simply show you the things which the main highlights of this room. Themes and dirty tweaks. We will start with the themes. This is their own theme center which you can use, where you can use the accent color. These are the stock accent colors. You can choose custom accent colors too. You can see this is changed. You can also choose the accent color by yourself if you if you know how to build a color, then you can choose this one. Also, there are options to choose fonts. A lot of extra things are available. Whichever font you like, you can choose OnePlus Slate fonts if you like those fonts. You can also choose Samsung One fonts, Google Sans, or whichever fonts you like, you can choose from here. Other things like you can change the icon shape, and this icon shape will only work in this default launcher. If you install any third-party launcher like a launcher or CPL or any other pixel launcher, then this thing will not work for you. But at least in the default launcher, you will see these things will work for you properly. Status bar and quick setting icons you can set from here, like filled, rounded, circular, whatever you want to do, you can do from here. Also, you have the option to choose themes. It has some other themes like without light and dark theme. There are Google Dark, Pitch Black, Solarized Dark, Choco Accent, Baked Green. These are the themes already available by default, pre-installed. Also, you can use the schedule method if you want to use your theme at a current time, at that time whenever you want to use, then it's a very good thing. Other thing, you have the option to back up your current theme. That's a very good choice. You don't get this option any other custom. That's a very good thing too. Now let's take a look at some features of this room. As I already told you, this is the modded version of Dirty Unicorns, and Dirty Unicorns is also one of the best OS for any devices. But for this device, is it the best one? Let's find out. Notifications, you have the option to choose these options. You have the option of edge lighting also, and edge lighting is perfectly working and also looking nice. Other things like blink, flashlight on call, and notification LED, these are the options you get here. In miscellaneous, you have the option to customize your rounded corners, screen animations. You can customize screen off animations. Also, there is a gaming mode option available, so it's a very good thing too. Allows signature spoofing. Pocket detection, swipe 3 finger to screenshot, this option is also available, and dashboard settings at all. Other things, when we go to lock screen, you have the option to customize your lock screen, like lock screen shortcuts which you can customize. Lock screen style you can customize from here, like clock style, date style. You can also choose the honor style and text clock style. These are the 4 things you can change from here. Also you have the option to change lock screen charging animation. These are the charging animations. You get flash, battery drop, explosion, water. That's a very good thing too. You also have the option to hide lock icon, lock screen charging info, and also show the visualizer in lock screen media, etc. Also you have the option to choose fingerprint preference, like vibrate whenever fingerprint authentication fails, or vibrate when fingerprint authentication is successful. Status bar, you have the option of these things, like battery options are available. You have the option to customize your carrier label. You can choose your carrier label to lock screen and status bar, whichever you like. You can choose these things. Carrier label fonts options are available. These are the fonts you get here. A lot of things are available. That's a very good thing too. You can also customize your clock. Icon managers are available, like status bar icon, whichever icons you want on your status bar, and whichever you don't want on your status bar, you can choose anything from here. Toast app icon, Bluetooth battery status, quick settings, traffic indicator, ticker, etc. At last we have the option of hardware. You can choose the buttons. Volume panel option, you can customize your volume panel, like media, ring, whichever things you want on your volume panel, you can choose them like this. Okay. Other links, music control is option is available. Volume rocker wake is available. Navigation, you have the option of on-screen navigation bar. I am using gesture navigation, so that's why there is no navigation bar on screen. Gesture navigation you can customize from here. Also you have the option to show animated arrow, and also haptic feedback. Haptic tick effect and haptic feedback both are working perfectly. Vibration is perfectly working in my case. At last there is the option of power menu. You can choose advanced restart, and last as screenshot. These are the options, these are the customization options, and these are the things you get in this room. All other things expect this are almost same. So this was all from today's review. How to install this ROM, already you know very well that simply install this ROM. Google apps are not pre-built. How to install this ROM, you have to go to recovery mode, install this ROM, install Magisk. I will write the whole guide on my website. You have to learn from that guide, and then you will be able to flash this ROM successfully. If you don't know what's going on, you can comment below. I'll try to tell you what you have to do. So this was all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video soon.